Hey everyone. So welcome. Um Remember I told y'all that I have been expecting something? Well, it is finally here. This is, you're reading it right, Paint by Numbers from Victoria's Moon. And honestly, look at this. It come in great condition. Yeah. Here are some paintings. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a kitty. Oh, right? Best wishes. Enjoy your beautiful life every day. Love it. But look at this. And this is, I guess, kind of your DIY or how to DIY, showing you the color and the number and then where you'll paint it, right? But honestly, I prefer it like this. Like, I prefer the box like this. I love it. Alright, so this is a take two, obviously. My first one got, I don't know, somehow deleted or something. I don't know. It didn't work, so I'm doing a take two. So just enjoy. Here we go. Look at it. Boop. There's the canvas. Oh, where's the rest? Okay. Alright. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Here we go. The snowman tree. So this is the painting. So let's roll it out. Now this is a 40 by 50. And we will measure. Gotta love that. Okay, with my diamond paintings, I'm not a fan of this at all. But with the oil paintings, or the paint by number, I'm okay with it. But I gotta say, I paint, or well, I can't say paint anymore. It's been a while. In fact, it's been a long time. I used to paint. I am by no means a pro. Hell, I wouldn't even call myself an intermediate. I just look. I don't know what you call myself, but I used to paint. This would go on a frame before I would paint it, because to try and paint this way, don't get me wrong, you can do it, but in my opinion, okay, to get it correct, because you gotta stretch the canvas, right? So what's gonna happen when you paint it, right? And it's all dried, and then you stretch it. You're gonna be disappointed, because what's gonna happen? Yeah. Y'all get where I'm going with that, right? It's not gonna work out right. So I called up my husband and I asked him to do a frame, a 1x1, 40 by 40. So hopefully he did that. So there won't be no painting right now. And I'm hoping that this is literally a 40 by 50 because I did tell my husband to do a 40 by 50. So let's see. And that's centimeters, not inches. Centimeters. 40 centimeters by 50 centimeters. So let's dead on. I don't know if you can see that, but that is 40 centimeters. Alright. And that is dead on 50 centimeters. So the paint is literally like the paint part of the canvas is a 40 by 50. My biggest complaint is that the legend is only up here, but like with the diamond paintings, they've only got it on one side. They really need, with bigger paintings, whether it be diamond painting or paint by numbers, have two legends with big paintings like this. You know, I mean, you can see, I mean, it goes from here all the way up to there. So they should have another one right here. That way, that can be for the top half and then have another legend for the bottom half, if that makes any sense. So that would be my biggest complaint. I'm loving their canvas. So their canvas is awesome. It really, yeah, here. In fact, let me just, do you see that? Now, this isn't the treated side, obviously. This is the back side. That's not treated. But look at that. Look at that weave. Is that amazing? Okay, now let's look at the treated side. Look at that. Tell me that's not amazing. Now, I did notice there are a few small areas. My phone wants to blur on that. But I bet if I use my LED pad, or my light pad, whatever y'all want to call it, I bet I can see that just fine. Or, you know, the smaller ones. But for the most part, it's awesome. Alright, let's look at the paint. Right? So let's get into this now. Alright, so we got our paint brushes. I don't know if it's gonna, I mean, it's focusing, but I don't know if you can see. Oh, there you go. Just move my big old hand, right? So you get the two fine brushes and then you get the bigger. I wish they would have had bigger ones because there are bigger areas. So I wish they would have had, like, I don't know, maybe a little bit of a bigger brush than that. But that's alright. This is to hang it. I don't know if I'll use it, but hey, that's alright. Now let me show you what I'm loving. Look at this. Look at this. Tell me how awesome that is. I mean, you've got, I mean, and I'm pushing hard. I mean, I'm pushing hard. You can see I'm pushing hard. Look at that. That's a nice foam. So, I love it. So, there's 20 colors. Well, plus the 4, but that's just because there's more 4 in there than any of the other colors. But, so yeah, there's 20 colors. But look at that foam. That foam pad that they're sitting in is awesome. I mean, look at this. It's, yeah. Tell me that's not awesome. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I love how sturdy. I mean, look, you can literally see me. I mean, if you're watching, you can see how hard I'm actually pushing on that foam. So that's really cool. Love that. Absolutely love that. This is what they need to do with the diamond paintings, but since we're not talking about the diamond paintings, we're talking about, well, painting. Look! See, this is what they need to, no offense, you know, Victoria's Moon, I love y'all, but why can't you do this? This right here. Do this right here with your diamond paintings. Like, why can't they do this? Look how awesome this is. It gives you the numbers, and it tells you, see, look. See? Number 4. I don't know if you can see that. And there's 2 of them. So it gives you the quantity, or, yeah, of how much. And going, I'm assuming that's by weight. You know, obviously that's got to be by weight. Alright, and then this is the numbers to match. So if anyone doesn't know me by now, I love snowmen. They're my absolute favorite. Or anything old and old traditional, like old traditional. Not the new Santa Clauses or the new snowmen. I like the old traditional like this. Like, yeah, I don't know. Something that you would have seen like maybe in the 1800s or, you know, or even earlier. Like, to me, that's my favorite. But, all right, so we're going to go on a journey together. We're going to do this. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to hang this up for Christmas, but technically, I mean, he's got a Christmas tree, and he's kind of Christmassy, but he's still wintry, so I'll hang him up. So let's work on them together. I'll give you my tips on what I think, or how I paint, I should say. Like I said, I'm not a pro, but ooh, I guess I could show you after this how I got my daughters into painting. I can show you how I did that. That would be really cool because it was on a piece of glass on how I taught my daughters. So, anyhow, let me know what you all think down below. I do have a link down below. It's unlimited, so you guys can click. Now, I don't make no money off of this. I don't get nothing off of this, so y'all can click on it as many times as you want, and I get nothing. Alright, y'all just get a discount. So click on that link and you'll get a great discount, and you can buy some paint by numbers, which I think is awesome. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Like, I'm all giddy. It's been so long. So I was really happy when Albina had contacted me for the diamond, or well, why do I keep saying diamond? Gosh, for the paint by numbers, because I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm really excited. So anyhow, there will, or is, not will be, there is a link down below. There has always been a link below. I will actually link this one though now below for the paint by numbers, and you will get a discount. Like I said, I'm not an affiliate, so I will not get nothing out of it if you click on it, okay? So anyhow, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I don't know if this will be up before or after New Year's, so hope you have a great New Year's if this is up before, and I hope you had a wonderful New Year's if this is up afterwards. Anyhow, don't forget to smile, as always, and like or don't like, up to you. If you feel nice, share the video, hit the subscribe button if you are not a subscriber already, and thank you to those that are already subscribers. Hit that notification bell so that you will always be notified when I put up my videos, and leave me a comment. I love y'all, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.